Untitled Channel. You can subscribe and click notification if you are not yet subscribed, so you don't miss my next video. I will explain about future, will. We usually speak about the future. Form future is will plus verb 1. It is for present tense. When do you use will? 1. When we must decide to do something. For example, I will eat that burger later. I think we will clean the house right now. 2. When you think or believe something about the future. The president will not be re-elected for the third time. The school will start from July 2019 to June 2020. 3. When we make an offer, a promise or a threat. You look hungry. I will take you some food. I will have it ready by today. I will fetch you when I finish my work. We continue with future continuous or future progressive tense. 1. The future perfect progressive tense is used to talk about an action that will already have started and will still be happening by a certain time in the future. 2. We use time expressions such as for 30 minutes and since early morning to describe the length of time the activity has already gone. 3. To form a sentence in the future perfect progressive use will plus have plus been plus verb plus ing. For example, by the time you get here, we will have been remodeling the house for a month. By 2020, my mother have been working for more than 35 years when she retires. Will you have been teaching for more than 35 years by the time you retire? Mother will have been cooking for hours by the time I come. The other form of future. Let's talk about the future perfect tense. 1. The future perfect simple is used to explain an activity that will be completed by a certain time in the future. 2. We add time expressions such as by the time, by then, by the year 2020, by April 2nd to describe these kinds of activities. 3. Form future perfect simple is will have plus V3, past participle, form of the verb. By the end of this weekend, I will have completed my project. By the time the last period ends, I will have finished my new novel. I won't have finished this video project by the end of December. If everything goes well, by June 2020, she will have married with her boyfriend. Will you have finished your English project by the time next month? Until here, I finish my explanation about future tense. Thank you for your watching my channel. And remember, always stay on this channel, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed so that we can continue our discussion about subject for national examination for senior high school in my next video. See you soon.